TPT now gives us search analytics data in their dashboard. It shows us keywords your products show up for and how many visits they got and how many converted to sales. But the data can be very overwhelming, especially if you have a large store. SellerSpy's search analytics tool turns that data into a plan. So when you come to the search analytics page, you're going to want to take the data that you download. If it's your entire store, you would choose entire store. If it's a single product you're uploading, you would choose single product. I'm going to upload my entire store's data. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drop my CSV in here and click Analyze My Keywords. Now, based on your CSV, it's going to take all the data and group your keywords into buckets. It'll also give you an overview. So here at the top, you have total keywords, total visits, keywords with sales, and total earnings. So just a quick little snapshot that sums everything up. Below, you'll see those 4 buckets. And the first bucket is the stars, and these are high visits and high conversion. These keywords are driving a lot of views and a lot of sales. So you want to make sure you keep an eye on them, make sure your rankings don't drop, and these are definitely the keywords you want to keep in your titles. If you click on that, the bottom chart below is going to filter to just those keywords. Okay. The next are leaky buckets, and these are where you have a lot of views but 0 conversions. These are most likely tied to your free products, but it is very possible that they're not tied to your free products. If they're not tied to your free products, it could be an issue with your title, your thumbnail, your pricing, something where it's throwing customers off and not leading them to convert. The next are hidden gems, and the hidden gems are really a great bucket to look at, because this is where you can find the keywords that are working, but on a very small scale, and really use them to create product lines and grow your store. So keywords in the hidden gems bucket, they have low views, but very high conversion. So the customers are there. The customers are chomping at the bit to buy your products. And lastly, we have the fixer uppers, and these are low views and low conversion. So this is really where you're going to have to work. You're either going to rework your keywords and title from scratch. Obviously, you're missing the mark as far as what the customer is looking for, or you need to evaluate the product from the ground up. Your fixer uppers, these keywords, there's obviously a mismatch between the product that you are serving them for these keywords and what the customer's really looking for. Now, in addition to just these views where you can view the keywords, there is an additional AI analysis feature to this tool. So you can hit Run AI Analysis, and if you hit the Generate button, now this will take a few minutes, but it'll give you an overview of all the data and provide you with some opportunities to expand and grow your store. So the AI analysis will give you the top, like what you do best, the niches that are working for you, the niches that you want to make sure you keep an eye on and protect. And then below are your recommendations. So this is really, okay, where can you expand? What could you fix? What keywords could you swap out? And it gives it to you by priority. So really, these can help guide your actions and help you take all the data that TPT is giving us and make it actionable. So try it out. Upload some of your data and see what some of the recommendations are.